Hello guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'll show you how to add RT-LAB library in MATLAB. So if you are here for the first time, it is my humble request to you, please subscribe this channel. Your subscription will motivate me to make more videos on these topics. So thank you for that. Do subscribe. So today we'll see how to add RT-LAB library in MATLAB. Maybe you have faced this problem or maybe not. If you are in this video, I think you have already faced this problem. Normally those libraries, especially library names, are like these are the main library: RT-LAB, RT-EVENTS, RT-XSG. So these are the libraries already. Means when you install your RT-LAB, it automatically get installed in your MATLAB. But it is like mm, but sometime it is like those libraries you can't find in your MATLAB library. Okay, so here I'll show you. I have MATLAB version of here 2020B and RT-LAB version here you can see, look upside, 2021.3.2.307. So this RT-LAB means this version of RT-LAB support 2020B MATLAB, but still I didn't find RT-LAB here. Look in my library section here, no RT-LAB. Here you can check, no RT-LAB, no RT event. So you will not be at that opcam block. It's available in RT event library, so you will not be able to run your MATLAB model in RT-LAB. So how to install this four library? Okay, I'll show you one. RT-LAB. So what you have to do, that you have to find this setup RT-LAB.m. For you can check if you need to install those RT event, RT XSG, you can you have to find the same way. I will install the RT-LAB, okay, in RT-LAB library in MATLAB simulink. So let's do this first one. Okay, you have to find this path. Okay, it means it will work if you don't change the path of install when you installed your RT-LAB. Normally people don't change paths, so I think you'll find it. So let's go there. You have to go C drive and then OPAL-RT, and then suppose we'll install, not suppose, we'll install RT-LAB. Okay, so we are going for RT-LAB, this folder, RT-LAB and version and simulink, and go to this m file. Look, m, find here m file. Okay, and here you have to find setup file. Okay, so s setup file, setup dot, so many setup. Okay, here you have to find the, look here I find it, setup underscore RT-LAB.m. okay, so this script you have to open through your MATLAB. So let's double click on it. Sorry, it's create I have already installed one more MATLAB, so for that it's opening 2021. Okay, sorry for that, I have to close this one. Means 2021 version I have, but this the latest version of RT-LAB, it don't yet support 2021B. sorry for that. So I think I have already opened or not, not not yet. Okay. So right click on it, open it. I want to open with 2021B because the latest version or the version I have installed in my MATLAB RT-LAB in my system that support up to 2020B. So I'll open it with 2020B. Look, here it came. Okay, so this script you have to run. Add two paths. Okay. Yes. Maybe it will take little bit time. I have not yet run it. So let's see. Run fish. What? This look like. So let's check here. Maybe we have to restart the system again. But let's check again. It didn't yet came, but it will come. Yeah, it didn't yet came. RT-LAB. It didn't yet came. So let's try to do again. Let's try to run that script again. Okay. Don't know what's problem with this version of MATLAB. I have not used it. I have just installed this version. I was using 2021B. Okay. Setup.RTLab. Let's check it why it's not coming yet, or is it came. Let's refresh once. So you can do it. It's easily for, I think for this one we went here. Okay, and for suppose for RT events, what you have to do, go to RT events, then version rt.m file. Look here, rte_m setup.rtevents.m. You have to open this script, you have to run it in MATLAB, so it will come. Okay, it's taking so much time on refresh. RT, yeah, look here after refresh. So right click and I have done refresh only. You have seen it's like no video card or nothing else. So like here RT-LAB came here now. Okay, this upcome block here, you can see this upcome block, especially you need it for running your model in RT-LAB. So let's try to do one more. Okay, first one is it was like little bit confusing maybe for you. So let's try to install one another, this one. Okay, we'll go from first. We'll first go to, okay, so we'll first go to C. Okay, C drive, then RT-LAB, then which one we have already installed RT-LAB. RT events also not there. I'll let's show you. Okay, you can say like it is maybe already installed, but no, look, you can check here RT-LAB input output ROS toolbox, so no RT event. Okay, so like C drive, then OPAL-RT, then RT events, then version, then M file, this M RTE underscore M. So for every library you have to find that M file and you have to open that script. So right click on it, I'll open it with the supported version of RT-LAB 2020B. Okay, so we'll run it again, not again, first time for RT events. So add to path, I think you know add to path why it's coming. Is it run successful? RT event, it's look like so fast. Okay, let's refresh once this. Look here, it's not came yet, RT-LAB only came. So refresh, it will take little bit time, so don't get bored. And if you are getting help, of course subscribe please. So your subscription will motivate me to make more videos on these topics, and I'll be able to clear your doubts, problems with RT-LAB. And for details, means if you need any other things, look, let me show you this. Okay, so these are the four main library you need to install: RT-LAB, ART, RT-EVENTS, RT-XSG. Okay, so like this you will find it, the name, it is like setup underscore rtlab.m. for that one, rt for rt-events setup.rt-events.m and setup.rtxsg.m. it will be look like this. Okay, let's check rt event. Yeah, look here, rt event came. You can see, I think. Okay, rt event came here already. After running that script, rt events came here. So for today, that's it guys. I think this video will is able to solve your problem, whatever problem about the library is not installed in your MATLAB simulink library. I think it's fully now solved. So do subscribe and like this video. Thank you guys.